Magandang hapon sa atin lahat, middle school. Sa ilang sandali ay mag-uumpisa na ang ating programa. Mangyari po lamang na ang lahat ay maupo. Ang video na ating napanood kanina ay mula sa Pinoy pop group na Alamat. 7 dialekto ang ginamit ng grupo sa kanilang kanta na pinamagatan na Abakada. Ito ay mga Ilocano, Waray-Waray, Bisaya, Hiligaynon, Kapampangan, Sambal at Tagalog.
Bago nating simulan ang ating programa, ang lahat ay niimbitang tumayo. Magbigay pugay sa watawat ng Pilipinas at sabay-sabay nating awitin ang pabansang awit ng Pilipinas na Lupang Hinirang. Sa pamumuno ng Grade 7 at 8 Choir at ni Ginoong JC Hoya.
Sa Grade 7 at Grade 8 Choir. Tunay na napakaganda ng himig ng ating pambansang awit. Isang napakagandang simula sa ating middle school Filipiniana Assembly.
Alam niyo ba na ang pabansang awit ng Pilipinas ay unang narinig ng publiko noong 12 Hunyo 1898. 125 taon na ang nakalipas.
PCC President, at Augusto Santiago, Middle School PCC Representative.
Hello, middle school. Welcome to this year's 2023 Pista, which we aptly named Tahanan for our desire to build a new connected home on Philippine soil. We hope that this theme in building a cultural and connected home will allow all members of the ISM community to come together and unite over our home country's culture, and strengthen bonds within our ISM family. We hope that as you move on from ISM and build your own homes long into the future, we will keep these memories that we have formed together as an ISM family long into the future. Augusto, over to you.
As a thank you for the PCC has a surprise for 6 special people. in the audience, there is a special sticker somewhere in the audience. If you find the special sticker, you get a free chocolate bar donated by PCC. Everyone stand up and look under your seats. Under your seats.
For clarification, if you guys are located on seats N28, you're the lucky winners on these seats. N28, F5, E20, D42, C12, and L16, you should find a chocolate bar under your seat. A sticker under your seat.
If you find the sticker, come to the stage after assembly to collect your chocolate bar.
Thank you, everyone, and we hope you enjoy Pista this year. I realized I forgot to introduce myself, so I'm Julia, the president of PCC in high school, and we look forward to working with you guys as you enter this next stage of your journey. We hope to see MS and HS PCC work together long into the future, and with that, I hope you enjoy the show. Thank you very much.
You guys crushed it. All right, MCs, you're up. Go for it. Yep.
Maraming salamat, Julia at Agosto. Kung kayo ay isa sa mga mapalad na nanalo, pakikuha ang inyong mga premyo na tsokolate dito sa entablado pagkatapos ng ating programa. Hindi pa pala natin ipinapakilala ang ating mga sarili. Kami po ay sina
Lucas,
Clarice,
Luis,
at Aaron. Kami po ang inyong MC para sa Middle School Filipiniana Assembly ngayong hapon at ipinagmamalaki namin na kami ay Filipino. Ngayong hapon, ang ating assembly ay isinalin sa isa sa mahigit 120 iba't ibang wika sa Pilipinas, ang wikang Tagalog.
oh, tara, umpisahan na natin ang pagtatanghal natin ngayong hapon. Ang programa natin ngayon ay punong-puno ng talento mula sa iba't ibang sining sa kulturang Pilipino. Handa na ba kayo, middle school?
para sa unang pagtatanghal, mangyaring i-welcome natin sa entablado ang ating mga ate at kuya mula sa High School Show Choir sa pamumuno ni Binibining Ann Provencher para kantahin ang The Coconut Nut.
The coconut nut is a giant nut. If you eat too much, you get very fat. Now the coconut nut is a big, big nut, but this delicious nut is not a nut. It's the cocoa fruit of the cocoa tree, from the cocoa palm family.
There are so many uses of the coconut tree. You can build a big house for your family. All you need is to find a coconut. Man, if he cuts the tree, he gets the fruit free. It's the cocoa fruit of the cocoa tree. from the Coco Palm family.
The coconut bark for the kitchen floor. If you save some of it, you can build a door. Now, the coconut trunk, do not throw this junk. If you save some of it, you'll have a second floor.
Very good. It can stand 20 years if you pray it good. Now, the coconut root, to tell you the truth, you can throw it or use it as firewood.
Coconut leaves good shade it gives to the roof, to the walls, up against the eaves. Now, the coconut fruit, say my relatives, you can use it as standing ball. Cocoa fruit of the cocoa tree, from the cocoa ball family.
The coconut nut is a giant nut. If you eat too much, you'll get very fat. Now the coconut nut is a big, big nut, but this delicious nut is not a nut.
A coconut nut is a giant nut. If you eat too much, you get very fat. Now the coconut nut is a big, big nut, but this delicious nut is not a nut.
It's the cocoa fruit of the cocoa tree, from the cocoa palm family.
It's the cocoa fruit of the cocoa tree, from the cocoa palm family.
It's the cocoa fruit of the cocoa tree, from the cocoa palm family. Ole!
Ang galing!
Salubungin ang grade 7 and 8 strings kasamang Kubli Strings Ensemble sa pamumuno ni Binibining Pam Arieta.
So you give the mics now, right?
Good afternoon, good afternoon. My name is Johanna Bel Medalia, and I am a Kubli String Ensemble member.
Ako naman si Mikey Ngu, miyembro ng Virtuosi Strings Ensemble.
Kubli means shelter, sheltered, or hidden, which symbolizes and describes our story of finding a place and each other to share our passion for music.
Ang kubli o kanlungan ay naglalarawan ng aming istorya ng pagtuklas sa tahanan at mga kabataang mahilig sa musika.
Today, we are honored for the opportunity to show our gratitude to ISM for all the support and help you have shared to Kubli Ensemble by performing two well-known Filipino pieces, Payapang Daigdig and Kul Kalang.
Isang karangalan ang magkameron ng pagkakataong maipakita ang lubos naming pasasalamat sa lahat ng tulong at suportahan ng ISM sa Kubli. At dahil dito, nais namin kayong handugan ng dalawang sikat na musikang Pinoy, Payapang Daigdig at Kul Kalang.
We hope you like it.
Sana magustuhan ninyo. Maraming salamat.
Wow! Talaga namang kahanga-hanga ang performance na yon, lalo na't ngayong araw lang sila nakapag-practice na makakasama. Sana maimbitan natin muli ang Kubli String Ensemble dito sa ISM. Maraming salamat sa handog ninyong napakagandang musika.
Salamat din kay Binibining Pam Arieta sa pamumuno ng grupo. Ang susunod na magtatanghal ay ang Dance Revolution class ni Binibining Rankin.
Sa paghahanda para sa pagtatanghal nila na naaayon sa temang tahanan, pinagsama-sama nila ang konsepto ng pamilya, malling, at paglisan at pag-uwi ng mga OFW. Tayo'y pumalakpak para sa MS Dance Revolution Crew!
sadyang ka
Kahanga-hanga talagang talento ng mga middle school students. Gusto ko na rin sumali sa dance class na ginang ranking.
Sa aking pagkakaalam, ang susunod na grupo ay first time magtatanghal dito sa ISM, ang CJ Learning Center.
Ang CJ Learning Center ay isang eskwelahan para sa musika sa Cardona. Sila ay tumatanggap ng mga estudyante sa kanilang rehiyon bilang scholar at naglalayon na maikalat ang kasiyahan ng musika sa lahat ng tao, anumang antas sa buhay. Mangyaring salubungin natin dito sa entablado ang CJ Learning Center.
Maraming salamat, CJ Learning Center, sa iyong pagtatanghal. Kailangan ko talagang alamin kung ano ang Tri-M Club pagdating ko sa high school para makasali.
Ngayon naman, oras na para sa susunod na performance. Pero bago natin sila panoorin, gusto nating pasalamatan si Binibining Jazz sa pagpapakilala sa atin dito sa susunod na grupo. Ang Dance Edge ay isang college dance organization ng St. Scholastica's College, Manila. sasayawin nila ang dalawang pinasikat na kanta ng SB19 na Go Up at Gento. Itong mga kantang ito ay patungkol sa pagsisikap, pangarap at pagkakaisa, mga mahalagang kaugalian ng mga Pilipino.
Sa pamamagitan ng sayaw, ang Dance Edge ay magpapakita ng kanilang kakayahan at talento sa pagsasama ng makabago at tradisyonal na musika at kaugalian. Maghanda na tayo na masaksikan ng synergy ng ritmo at kultura, ang pagmamalaki at kagalakan ng Saints ko, ang Dance Edge.
Yeah, we gonna go up. Yeah, we gonna go up. Parang liwanag ang nakikita sa tuwing ipipikit aking mata. Bigyan ko'y lalong nagniningning, sa dilim walang makakapigil. Itong aking pinapangako, hindi susuko, kahit pa ako'y mabigo. Yeah, make me, you know I'm ready. Come on and test me. Yeah, we gonna go up. Ibibigay ko ang aking puso sa pag-abot na pangarap dito. Handa kong harapin ang lahat, yeah, kahit pa imposible. Yeah, we gonna go up. Nangarap ng bukas mga mata, yeah, lumakad ng may bubog sa paa, yeah. Lahat ng iyong pagtudura, bakbak ko parang igaruda, 'cause I'm gonna go up. Nagtaho ng takot sa puso, pagkabi ko'y malabo, tagumpay nasa dugo, ko'y positibo. You know I'm ready. Come on and test me. Yeah, we gonna go up. Ibibigay ko ang aking puso sa pag-abot na pangarap dito. Handa kong harapin ang lahat, yeah, wala nang imposible. Yeah, we gonna go up.
I want some, I get some, no later. I woke up and baked dead potato. Got God to shape me for major, but I stay me, not mediocre.
Look up and tell me what you see, or Gucci, but the real question is really me. A movie's definitely not my reality, 'cause you see, model me, ew. Katiri.
Yeah, I'm gonna see you later. Pagkatapos ko mag-shower, medyo ramdam ko ng power. Tulong pa sa sour, mga hater kaya.
Di man
Grabe, ang galing ng Dance Edge. Di ako makapaniwala na pinaktis nila yan nung huling 2 linggo lang. Maraming salamat sa pagbabahagi ninyo ng talento sa amin. Sana ay makapagtanghal ulit kayo sa ISM.
Naisip namin na ang COP na i-save ang isa pang special na performance para sa huli. Kaibigan na sila ng ISM sa loob ng maraming dekada at paborito ng karamihan. Oras na para panoorin ang kahanga-hangang Papaya Academy para sa kanilang natatanging pagtatanghal. Para sa ilan sa inyo, makakita kayo ng ilang familiar na mukha sa stage. Mangyaring bigyan natin ang Papaya Academy ng mainit na Bearcat welcome!
Kayo ang dahilan ng aking hininga. Ako ay nabuo sa inyong kalinga. Pag-ibig na wagas, totoo't dakila. Ang siyang nagbigay ng lakas ko't sigla. Hinubog ang aking damdamin at diwa. Kasama ko kayo sa ngiti ko't luha. Sa aking pagtulog, sa gabing madilim, nagbabantay kayo hanggang sa mahimbing. Hindi hahayaang lamok ay kagatin. Pati na ang init, pilit papawiin. At kung ako may tuluyang magising, nakangiti kayong sasalubong sa akin. Hindi nga maliit ang sakripisyo nyo. Simula nang ako'y maging isang tao. Kaya naman may mga pangako, mga utos at hiling ay susundin ko. Igagalang kayo at irespeto at mamahalin sa buong buhay ko. Sa aking mga magulang ni Jerome Apilia.
mahusay! Maraming salamat uli, Papaya Academy, para sa pagbabahagi ng inyong talento sa amin. Hindi lamang ngayon, kundi pati sa mga nakaraang taon.
Wow! Napakaraming magandang performances ngayong taon ng Filipiniana. Hindi lang yun, nakapag-enjoy din tayo ngayong araw. Dulot ng mga paglaro at aktibidad.
Dahil dyan, nais nating pasalamatan ang mga taong tumulong upang maging posible ang araw na ito. Palakpakan natin silang lahat.
Okay, go back out. All of you guys. All of you guys. Go back out.
Maraming salamat muli sa inyong lahat sa pag-organisa ng napakagandang programa para sa ating Filipiniana.
Ikinararangal namin na maging host sa Filipiniana ngayong taon.
Kung nais ninyo na maging miyembro ng Middle School Philippine Cultural Council, tumaan kayo sa opisina ng Ginoong Travis para makuha ang iyong pangalan.
Ang mga meeting ng grupo ay tuwing Miyerkules lunchtime. Magsisimula muli ang mga meeting pagkatapos ng December break.
Para sa dismissal natin, magpapalaro si Ginoong Travis upang malaman ang pagkakasunod-sunod sa pagalis sa FAT.
Ginoong Travis, ikaw na!
All right, guys, can we give a round of applause to our MCs this afternoon? Lucas, Daniel, Maya, Clarice, Liam. Well done, guys.
Another special round of applause to Augusto and Julia from PCC. Let's hear it. As well as all the performers, extra loud on the performers. Let's give all the performers a round of applause. All right, we're going to do something a little bit different for dismissal today to see how well you know the Philippines. This first round is just a test, just to get an understanding. It's a stand-up if. There are 3 sections in the FAT. We got this section all the way up to the balcony, the middle section, and the far right section. I'm sorry for those theater folks if I'm doing the wrong terminology. Miss Abby and I will decide which section gets the answer. The most people get the answer correctly will be the first group out. Okay? So this is a test for everyone. If you think it's true, you're going to stand up. If you think it's false, you'll sit down. The question is, the only colors in the Philippine national flag are blue, red, yellow, and white. Stand up if that's true. Sit down if you think that's false. 3, 2, 1, quiet. All right, Mr. Caleb, did they get it right? Miss Keith, you are correct. Great, everyone sit down. Miss Abby, you ready to count quickly? We're going to start with the far left quadrant of the FAT.
All right, before we proceed with our dismissal game, we just have a bit of an announcement. One of our high schoolers lost their phone in the FAT. So can I just ask everybody if you can just check the floor? And if you found a phone, please hand it over.
Moose. Any takers? Anyone find it? You can hold on to that for now. Thank you. No phone?
No phone? None?
All right. Miss Harrington, nothing.
All right.
All righty, here we go. Everyone listen up.
Okay.
Miss Abby, you're going
Let's
to be having to count very, very fast. Like I mentioned, it's this section's up first, all the way up to grade 8. First question, stand up if. There are less than 7,000 islands that make up the Philippines. Stand up if that's true. Sit down if you think that's false. Uh-oh.
This is going to be hard.
Miss Abby, can you count? All right, 3, 2, 1, quiet.
3,
2,
2, 1, go.
Let's see. That is true. It's over 7,000. You guys were looking at your advisory slides. So far, section middle and far right, you're going to have to beat that. That's going to be quite difficult to beat. Up next is the middle section here. The next question for you. This place is known as the Walled City. If you think it's Intramuros, stand up. If you think it's Bonifacio, sit down. All right, in 3,
Okay.
2, 1, quiet. Miss Keith, what is the answer?
What is the answer?
It is Intramuros.
Well done, middle section.
Although I saw a few people sitting down, Miss Abby, a few folks were sitting down.
I know, there were a few who were sitting down. And
So
I couldn't
far,
really
it's the
see
far
if
left
the-
is
up in the
still in the lead. Far right, here's your question, Miss Keith, let's see it. Philippines Independence Day is celebrated on July 12th. Stand up if you think that's true. Sit down if you think it's false. 3, 2, 1, quiet. You should have listened to CJ Learning Center because it's June 12th.
Oh, my.
Thank you, CJ Learning Center.
Far right.
Let me talk to Ms. Keith real quick to decide who's going first. All righty, we got the winner.
We've decided on the winner. The first one to leave would be the far left.
So how it's going to
All
be?
right.
How it's going to be?
Hold on.
Grade 8, you can
Grade
exit up into, let me try to find a teacher.
Oh, Miss Carmel. Maybe Miss
Carmel's
Carmel.
group up, you're going to exit this door. Behind Miss Carmel, you're going to exit out that door. Follow Mr. Mack. Adela, Miss Karen, thank you. Miss Karen's group up, exit that way.